Sharon Danley here of 2-Minute Tips for Healthy Beauty and Confident Aging. Some fast and easy ways for our angel nurses to give their hair some lift and curl while under their caps or protective clothing. And these ideas certainly can work for the rest of us too. But first, make sure you have the right hairpins. I prefer the standard flat roller pin available at Sally's and on Amazon, as they really hold the hair well. Okay, first is our Princess Leia, which is simply 2 large pin curls on either side just behind the ear. And remember, the bigger the pin curl, the bigger the wave or the curl. I find that 2 fingers width is just about right for a nice beachy wave look. Sport your cap and voila, at the end of the day or after a couple of hours at home, lovely soft curls. A little back combing and a touch of hairspray for wee thin-haired beauties, and it can be left as is or styled any way you like. Next is the little Shenyang Bun at the nape of the neck. Gather the hair in a covered elastic and then twist the hair tightly or loosely if you have thicker hair, and wrap it around, tucking in the ends and securing with your roller pin. Of course, my hair is so thin that it only manages to sport the often sought-after olive oil bun look. Goes well with the hair molting on my sweater, don't you think? At the end of shift, remove the pin and elastic and finger comb in the usual manner. Next, head upside down, grabbing the crown hair for a messier approach, or part the hair and comb into place. You can twist as I've done here, make a large pin curl, or use a sponge roller. Repeat the same on the bottom half. When I said I was going for a messy look, I wasn't kidding, was I? Then twist, turn, wrap, whatever suits you. Pin in place for as long as you want. Again, when you're ready, simply remove the pins and/or elastics and style as you wish. Now for pin curls and rollers. I have other videos on both methods and I'll list them for you. These work especially well under caps or hats. With pin curls, I like using 2 fingers to give a bigger, more of a beach wave curl, but you can go smaller if you like. Simply wrap around your finger and stand it up, place the pin in, and it holds beautifully. I'm for the sponge rollers, and they come in various sizes. Just a mist of water is all you need to help set the curls. I also like to finger comb for curly hair. Rolling from the base will give you a better curl all the way through. Use your trusty roller pin to grab the hair from the roller with the top part of the pin, and from the scalp with the bottom part of the pin. And remember, horizontal or wavy curls and vertically for spiral curls. I like the smaller rollers for a more defined wave and the bigger rollers for a more beachy wave. And last but not least, the ever-trusty life-saving scrunchie. You may have seen my mug all over the place advertising the 2 scrunchie look for a very fast and oh so easy updo, whether on the crown, the nape of the neck, or using 2 as shown here for a more formal look. And no, I didn't give permission to use my image, nor was I paid. Anyway, I also have a video showing how to put your hair in a roller at the crown and wrap it in a scrunchie so that at day's end, when you remove the scrunchie, you have a cascade of curls. So there's a few ideas for you to play with that truly are fast and easy, but most of all, give you a much needed lift. Thanks for watching. Be sure to stay safe, and we'll see you next time.